Welcome to Behind the Trigger. Today I'm going to show you how to remove the extractor on the Bergara BMR bolt. It's relatively easy. All you got to do, you need the bolt assembly and a small screwdriver or Allen wrench. You're going to take the extractor, pull it back. You're going to stick this right through here. And you're going to push down and push it outwards. That removes the extractor. As you can see, there's a small detent on the extractor, and that keeps the small little detent and the spring right into place. So it's that easy to put it back in. Then you can reach over from the other side and do it, come through here, but it's easier just to go through this hole. Just pull the extractor back, slip this in, pop it out. That easy. To put it back together, take your spring, drop it back in there, drop your detent back in there, tap it so it's down, kind of in place. Take your extractor, locate it in the channel, take your thumb, hold the extractor in, and take a cloth, you just push it down. You push it down until it locks in. There you go. It's that easy. In and out. To do the other side, you do the same thing. There's a little notch right here in the bolt, but I found it's hard to get down in there with this and push it down on the detent and just pop it out. Found a flat blade screwdriver or Allen wrench the easiest way. Till next time.